Hello everyone, have a nice day. I'm Ken from Kingway Hydraulic Machinery. Behind me is our factory. This is our Top Link Series hydraulic cylinder. You can find this product on our website. Next, I will introduce the dimensions of this product to you. Min mounting distance. Max mounting distance. Cylinder outer diameter. Rod diameter. Pinhole diameter. Port. This cylinder is packaged with an installation manual. Included are 2 oil hoses, 1 male connector, 1 hollow bolt, and 2 grommets. Now I will demonstrate how to install it. Step 1. Combine the hollow bolt with a grommet. Insert them into the clevis. Connect to the hydraulic lock and tighten firmly. Step 2. Attach the side of the male connector with the add washer to the hydraulic lock. Connect the union to the other side and tighten. The cylinder assembly is now complete. Step 3. Connect the pinhole on the end away from the piston rod to the machine with a pin shaft and secure it using a cotter pin. Then hang the handle onto the machine's hook and connect the quick coupler on the other end of the oil hose to the machine. This completes the connection between the cylinder and the machine.